Hi, in this video, as I've promised before, I am going to teach you how to take Udemy courses for free and in some cases with certifications. There are two ways to do this. First one is to use this Telegram channel. You can see the address in here. This channel actually provides a discount code for a limited number of enrollments. So if you want a course, you should take it very quickly before the code gets disabled. For instance, if I want to take this course, I'll click on the link and here, there are some descriptions about the course. We'll click on the Get on Udemy and here we go. As you can see, it's 100% off and it's free. So I add it to cart, go to cart and check out. As you can see, it's completely free. And at the end, enroll now. And just like this, I took the course. Another way to do this is to use Coupon Scorpion website to find these discounts and these courses. As you can see, the address is here, and you can scroll down and search for whatever you may be interested in. As you can see, there are free courses and 100% off courses. The main difference is that when you take and complete a free course, you will not receive a certification at the end. But when you take a 100% off course, at the end of the course, you will get the certification. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and please hit the subscribe and like button. Bye!